Hello friends, welcome back to Trade with Books. Today we will learn the importance of delivery percentage. Yes, what is the difference between traded volume and delivery volume and what is the usage of high delivery percentage? You have heard that we can buy a stock in intraday trading and we can sell on the same day, but we have a choice to take that stock for the next day. That we can do only with a delivery. We cannot sell a stock and we can take it for the next day until unless it is a future market. So when you are taking the stock for the next day or for a week or for a month, it shows your conviction that you are convinced that this stock is going to be higher and higher. So we have to see that which are the stocks where investors are taking a huge quantity of number of shares for the next day as a delivery, and that we'll use for our swing trading purpose. So this is the whole purpose of this video. We are going to learn three things. First is the importance of delivery percentage and what is delivery percentage, how it is different from trading volume. Second, we will learn that from where you can find out that which are the stocks which is showing high delivery percentage today, and if you have found, then how you can use it in your swing trading. These are the three things which we are going to use. So let's start. Welcome to Trade with Books in today's learning session. So first of all, what is traded volume and delivery volume? So when you put an order for a stock, you have an option of delivery or intraday. Either you can sell it or buy it in intraday, like today morning you have bought and before 3:30 you will sell it. That is called intraday. So intraday, when you do this, the number of shares you traded will be included in the trading volume. So trading volume will show that all intraday trading. So suppose intraday some stock like Idea, Vodafone, which is having a very small value, 10 rupees, 12 rupees, so people are coming and with huge quantity they are trading, so volume will be always high. So but that high volume doesn't show that this stock is going to be bullish or it is going to be upward trend. But the number of volumes are traded, from which if 50% of the stocks are taken for next day, that will show me that 50% of the people or 50% of the shares are showing that this stock can be bullish for the next day. This is my conclusion. So you have option of delivery or intraday. Delivery you can take only as buy, not as sell. If you want to take a sell position for the next day, that you can do only in future market. Okay. So from delivery percentage is delivery quantity divided by traded quantity. So suppose 1 lakh shares have been traded. 1 lakh shares have been traded. From that, if suppose 70,000 shares have been taken for delivery, 70,000 shares have been taken as a delivery, then delivery percentage will be 70%. That shows that from the traded quantity, 70% of the stocks are taken as delivery. That is showing me high conviction among investors that this stock is going to be up. So first method of knowing that how many percentage of delivery has been taken in any stock is National Stock Exchange website. You go and type your stock name in NSC website. Like TCS, if you write in NSC website, this is one of the page, just for your example, that it will show you how many quantity has been traded. So it is showing 40 lakh 81,000 quantity has been traded today, from which 19 lakh 67,000 quantity have been taken as a delivery quantity. So percentage comes as 48.2%. So like this you can check for any stock any day how much percentage have been taken as delivery. If this percentage is more than 70%, I can tell you that if this trend is falling for 1, 2 or 3 days, in last 10 days you can see some 2 or 3 days, if more than 70% of the quantity has been taken as delivery, that shows that stock is having something that you may be not knowing, but you can follow that stock, you can keep that stock in your watch list, and this will give you a conviction that this stock have higher probability to go higher and higher highs. Okay, so this is the usage of delivery percentage. Now suppose you have find out HDFC Bank from your analysis. Maybe your analysis is based on value buying or some relative strength model or any model. Now you want to check some other conviction. So I will tell you to use delivery percentage. How you can use this HDFC Bank share? You take it to Stockage app. One app is there, Stockage. stock edge, STOCKEDGE, edge, stock edge. In this, you write here your stock name. Suppose HDFC Bank you write. Then this page will come out. Here one tab is there, deliveries. This deliveries, when you click, you will find the last 20 days delivery percentage. So here you can see that on 29th November, 65% of the quantity has been taken as delivery. On 28th November, 56.3% of the traded quantity has been taken as delivery. In this, you see 25th November, a huge trading volume came, and from that 81% of the traded volume has been taken as a delivery. Means this is showing that something is cooking inside. 81.3%. At what value? 1785. Now this is your some support level. So 81.3% shows that a huge percentage of the trading volume has been taken as delivery. Now you search for some other day whether it has come in previous days, whether more than 70%. So you will find that here 170% is there, here almost 70% is there. So you can now tell that something is cooking. This stock is having investors believe that this can go higher. That's why more number of shares are taken as delivery. So this is one of the way of getting more probability conviction. Now next thing is how to find out that today in which of the stocks that higher delivery percentage is there. So in that same stockage app, one analytics section is there. I will share you one free thing also. This stockage premium version is paid quantity. Some 1700 for 1 year price is there. But I feel this is reasonable and I am using it, so I am showing this also, and I will share with you the free thing also where you can find out how to find out the delivery percentage, high delivery percentage stock for the today. So here one section is there, high delivery percentage. If you click it, it will show you all the stocks which are showing high delivery percentage. You can see 91% has been taken as a delivery of the traded quantity. So this 91% shows that this stock has some investor conviction. Like this you see 89, 84, 83. But here you see total trading volume is very less, 15,000. So this you can avoid because this can be easily manipulated because quantity is less. But this and quality, Max Healthcare, these all things are must to be kept in watch list and you should follow this. Maybe in coming days some big price action can come, and from this all stock, if you analysis on a Saturday, you will find 2 or 3 best stocks which will be useful for coming days. So suppose I take this Max Healthcare. Max Healthcare will take, and we'll see this chart in our trading view. So now we will go to Max Healthcare chart. Max Healthcare. Max Healthcare, when I open, I can see that here relative strength model, my relative strength 55 days model is positive. So what I have to do, I have to wait to see that whether this stock is crossing this resistance. When this will cross this, I can go and buy this, because I have seen that higher delivery percentage quantity is coming in this region. So maybe some big positions are creating. If this goes below this, I will avoid this. I will not make entry and I will wait until this will cross this one. So this is one system of doing systematic trading. You can also add in this like your sector analysis, which I am showing you that which are the sectors which is currently strong, like IT, pharma, finance and bank nifty. These are the 4 sectors which is strong. So Max Healthcare comes in pharma also. Then what you can add is position sizing, pyramiding. This all concept I am teaching in my all video. This all concept you add, and with that you trade, you will must find that success. Okay, so all the best. Must like the video if you are liking my channel, and share it with your friends, and tell me in comment section what other videos you want and what other improvements I can do. So lot of thanks to support the channel. All the best.